Hey, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this Xiaomi. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down and access Display. Following that, scroll down again, click on Text Size, and swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview above. When you're ready, tap on the back button, and as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!